Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a Discord guild server that is working in 2025. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So basically, first of all, of course, you're going to need a server. So if you have one already, then that's done. But if you're going to make one, then simply click on this arrow and then create your own and everything and done with it. Now from here, you're going to go to the server settings by clicking on here and then going to server settings right there. From here, all you have to do is click on the guild settings on the left section. And then from here, once you click it, it will tell you to select whichever game that you would like to select on. And then from here, you can select whichever playstyle that you would like. So very casual to competitive. And then select your guild style and then the traits. And then from here, write a description for the guild to be able to see for everyone. And finally, the guild badge, which is all what you want. Most importantly, fill in your guild application. So from here, you can add however many questions you would like. So for people to apply for it and join your guild server. And that's pretty much it. Now, in case this is an experimental feature and it's still not available for you, then you can get another guild tag by another way. From here, all you have to do is click on the first link in the description and join this channel, which is going to be right here. It's called the Guild Archive. Now, from here, all I have to do is go to the tags or guilds, and then from here, you can sort it by gallery, and then you can check all the guild tags that you may choose from. Those are existing servers that you can select for whatever you want. And then from here, if you like this tag, then you can simply join the server. And then from here, once you join in and fill your application, then all you have to do is go to the user settings right here and then edit your user profile. Scroll down until you see the server tag, which is going to be your guild tag, and then choose the one that you have from your server. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.